Minal Quran quiz. Explore the revelation of the Quran. Let's start. Question 11. What term describes the completion of the Quranic revelations into a single book after the Prophet's passing? Answer. Compilation. Mushaf. Question 12. Who oversaw the collection and compilation of the Quranic revelation during Abu Bakr's caliphate? Answer. Uthman ibn Affan. May Allah be pleased with him. Question 13. Which script was used for writing the Quranic revelation during Uthman's compilation? Answer. Naskh script. Question 14. How many companions of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, participated in the Quran's compilation during Uthman's caliphate? Answer. 7. Question 15. What term describes the recitation of the Quran with correct pronunciation and tajweed rules? Answer. Qiraat. Question 16. What significance does Surah Al-Qadr hold? Answer. It highlights the night of decree, Laylatul Qadr. Question 17. What term describes the study and interpretation of the Quranic text? Answer. Tafsir. Question 18. Which surah emphasizes the concept of taqwa, God consciousness? Answer. Surah Al-Baqarah. Question 19. How many revelations were received during the night of decree, Laylatul Qadr? Answer. Countless revelations.